Hello guys, you're welcome to Optimist Online Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to whiten eyes in Photoshop. So let's jump right in. Click on Adjustment Layer, then click Hue or Saturation. In this drop down, choose Reds and reduce the saturation. And there are still yellows in their eyes. In the drop down, choose Yellows and reduce the saturation too. Now use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-I to invert the layer mask. Choose your brush, make sure your foreground is white and brush over her eyes. And if you brush over where you don't want to, you can use Ctrl-Z to undo, or you can change your foreground to black and correct those mistakes. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos of this kind, subscribe and hit the notification icon.